For the past year, I've been working on our new 737. Look, I even have gray hairs now. It's been a long road, but this morning, as promised, we have a pretty major update. At 12:25 Zulu, the first test flight of the 737 took off from Bournemouth and flew around for 1.4 hours. Funny enough, my father was flying the DC-3 this morning at the exact same time as the 737, which is very cool. We joined a very small group of companies that can say they've flown DC-3s and 737s. The ferry flight to Canada is going to happen very soon. I'll keep you updated. You can follow along, and we're going to have an event in Edmonton once it lands. So hopefully maybe see you there, or we'll see you online. A lot of stuff's going to happen. It's going to happen quick. So hang on to your hats, boys.